We're sorry to interrupt your programming on this YouTube channel. At this time, we bring you a message from the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Important details follow. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Luzerne County in northeast Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing dime-size hail, deadly cloud-to-ground lightning, and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located along a line near Bloomsburg and was moving east at 45 miles per hour. The storm will be near the Columbia-Luzerne County line at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Torrance at 9:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Nanticoke at 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wilkes-Barre and Wilkes-Barre Township at 9:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Bear Creek at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please report storm damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-633-6772 when you can do safely. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 265 remains in effect for all of northeast Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.